We know that space is a very quiet place, as it is actually void, and there is no medium through which sound can travel in space. But a team of astronomers recorded a strange mysterious sound that boomed 6 times louder than expected. This phenomenon is known as space roar and still remains an unsolved problem in the world of astrophysics. So what actually is the space roar? Of course, space sound doesn't mean any real sound that can be heard by human ears. They are actually radio waves detected by researchers using special instruments, which can be later converted to actual audible sound. Back in July 2006, NASA sent an instrument named ARCADE into space in search of radiation from the universe's earliest stars. ARCADE, which stands for Absolute Radiometer for cosmology, astrophysics, and diffuse emission, carried 7 sensors to pick up electromagnetic radiation, like radio waves at centimeter wavelengths. To enhance the sensitivity of ARCADE's radio receivers, they were immersed in more than 500 gallons of ultra-cold liquid helium. The instrument's operating temperature was just 2.7 degrees above absolute zero. The device was launched with the help of a giant balloon from NASA's Columbia Scientific Balloon Facility in Texas. It flew to an altitude of 120,000 feet, where the atmosphere thins into the vacuum of space. ARCADE's mission was to search the sky for faint signs of heat from the first generation of stars, but instead of any faint signal, the instrument detected a booming roar, 6 times louder than anyone had ever predicted. If you have made up to this part of the video, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. According to NASA, the roar detected by the machine produced a more intense radio signal than all the stars and galaxies in the entire universe put together. Detailed analysis of the signal ruled out primordial stars or any known radio sources, including gas in the outermost halo of our own galaxy. Scientists still to this day cannot determine if that intense boom was from distant stars or anything else. Some researchers suggest that the sound might be coming from dim but extremely plentiful radio galaxies which are too quiet for us to detect, but altogether they might be loud enough to create the roar. Though there may be some probable theories out there, but researchers are still not sure about the origin of the space sound. The source of this cosmic radio background still remains a mystery to us, but researchers are working on a regular basis and they hope to find a definite answer in the near future.